We're just here to give foot massages here at Kelstein Chiropractic. You didn't know that. You think we treat spines, but actually we're just here to take care of pregnant women's feet. Whether men fall asleep on them late at night. Nick, this one is on you. I'm expecting some great hints at some cool items coming into your shop for Marissa. Eliminate that cost, which would be nice. We can actually have a band.
Yeah. Are you guys gonna do one of your guys' favorite bands? Try to see if you can get them, or are you gonna try to get a cover band? Like, what are you doing?
My old roommates from college.
Oh, okay.
A little tighter here, okay?
Yep.
Come on, push. Good, relax. Push. Push. Relax. Push. Relax. Push. Good, relax. Relax your head. Loose. There you go. Feel good?
Yes. It always feels good.
You got it. Relax. Easy. Good. I'm gonna put my hands on your hips, okay?
Do what you gotta do. Just.
So there's a ligament called the round ligament here. I think we've talked about this before.
Yeah.
It can get a little tight and painful in this area. It's just a technique called the Weber technique. Webster technique. There's a lot of techniques out there. Basically, it's just a form of soft tissue pressure on this ligament to get it to relax. And it gets associated with like pelvic rotation or tension in the low back. And you've got a little bit of tension on the pubic symphysis, but that's more from weight bearing of the baby.
Yeah, and you said sometimes you'll show partners how to do it because the women will do it too hard, right?
Yeah, you'll sit there and just rub at it.
Yeah. It's because you just want it to go away. I'm fine.
Put your hands on your stomach. I'm gonna pull you up here a little bit.
No, it's fine.
There you go.
It actually feels good. I got my hair redone last weekend, and those shampoo girls have some strong hands. They were like rubbing my neck and my head, and I'm like sitting there, I'm like, this is nice, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna tense up after this.
Nice. Let that drop away. Good. Breathe in. Exhale. Easy. Hold on. Breathe in. Exhale. Let it go. There you go. Rest. Reach. I got you. Just hold. Hold. Good. Yeah. Breathe in. Easy. Roll. That's it. Good. Honestly.
The margarita's probably first.
Okay.
But I also told Nick to figure out a way to bring a margarita into the hospital, so...
I just want it in there. That's your only job. Do you have the margarita mix? My water broke. Grab a margarita mix.
Well, I told him, I was like, we're gonna be in Towson, so you know exactly where to get a margarita, where to get me some sushi. Go on.
Go on now. Go do your job. I did mine for 9 months.
Make it happen.
All right, breathe in for me here. Easy exhale. Okay, you doing okay here? Just a little tension. Good. All right, let it go. Good. Let it drop. That's it. Very good. Hold up, hold up. All right, here's the tighter side, okay?
Yep. Thank you for not grunting when you pick me up.
What? The feather that I just picked up? What are you talking about?
Don't lie.
That blanket that I just moved?
Nick grunts when he has to help me off the couch. Don't lie. He's like, oh. I'm like, don't even.
What'd you just do?
Like, you know, you could try to hide it, hold your breath, something.
Breathe in for me. Easy exhale.
Thank you for not grunting when you pick me up.
What? The feather that I just picked up? What are you talking about?
Don't lie.
That blanket that I just moved?
Nick grunts when he has to help me off the couch. Don't lie. He's like, oh. I'm like, don't even.
What'd you just do?
Like, you know, you could try to hide it, hold your breath, something.
Breathe in for me. Easy exhale. Breathe in. Let your shoulders roll. That's it. Okay. Good. Easy. Good. Loose, loose. There you go.
It's adjusted.
You feel it show up a little bit?
Yeah.
Here, go ahead and grab onto my hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's swing your legs that way. Come back towards me. Good. Bring in. Breathe in for me. Easy exhale. Okay, just a little tension there. Ready? Good. Alright, sit up tall. Good. Rest your hand here. Bend to your right. Bend to your left. Reach out. There it is. Good. Now bend, bend, bend. There you go. Good. Go ahead again. Is that pressure okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Go ahead and bend. There we go. Good. Easier. And slightly go here. You okay with that pressure? That should be right on that tight. Got a strong elbow there. Okay. Last one. Go. Connie's been patiently waiting to get worked on for a couple weeks. I kind of missed her a couple times working, so I appreciate that. Here we go. Let's get that spot. It's really opening up. Easy. Let the right hip drop. There you go. Okay, stand up. Connie, how do you feel?
Better. It's not there anymore.
Not there anymore? Okay. Feel relaxed?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was how, I don't know if we're doing audio, but I'm just going to act like we are. That's how I work on a patient who is pregnant, especially this far along. So taking my time, some soft tissue work where needed, making sure she's getting supportive care. She's wearing a brace now. She got a lot of pressure on the pubic symphysis, a little inflammation in that bone, that joint where the pelvis bone comes and meets in the front. Webster technique on the round ligament. gentle adjustments, happy campers. We good?
Yeah.
Cool.
Felt great.
Good. Thanks for watching.